Welcome to Fix It with Tony. This week I've been seeing a lot of dents around the shop and everything, so I decided to go ahead and order a PDR kit off eBay for about 60 bucks. It's a paintless dent removal kit. So the idea is that you can pop dents out without messing up the paint job. So let's see what we're working with here. All right, hot glue gun, glue sticks, more glue sticks, a doohickey. Nice. We got a bridge puller, some little suction pads, a bottle for acetone to remove the hot glue. Here we have a bunch of assortment of pads here for gluing to the body of the vehicle. More glue. More glue pads. Ah, this is nice. For small dents. Got a scraper to help get the glue off. Have our slide hammer assembly. Very neat tool bag to keep everything together, organized. There's little dent punches here. Fine tuning. And a little hammer to use them. What's this? I'm not sure, but it looks like it goes with this thing here. It does. Alright. Not sure what this is for, but I'm sure we'll find out soon. First thing to notice in this kit is it comes with a nice tool bag with ample room on the inside for expandability. You can buy more tools, it'll all fit in there. Next we have a good selection of glue sticks here, included with a pretty decent looking glue gun. We have a spray bottle for acetone and alcohol to help get the glue off the vehicle without damaging the paint, as well as a small scraper. We have a pneumatic dent puller for the real small dents. We have a bridge puller for our medium-sized dents, and then we have the slide hammer for very large dents. We also have our line board to help us identify dents on the vehicle. Moving on, we have all of our glue pads, which is a pretty nice assortment of them. I think this kit did pretty well for what it is, for 60 bucks. Then we have our punch set right here, and as you notice, there's many different size and shape tips on there to help finish out any remaining dimples that you have coming out, and a small hammer to go with it. All in all, pretty decent starter kit.